Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Honestly, मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले पूरा वीडियो शूट किया and थोड़ी देर के बाद मैंने सब डिलीट कर दिया while I was editing and then I realized that bro ये मेहनत वेस्ट क्यों करी मैंने. ये सारी spontaneous decisions कभी कुछ इसलिए हो रहे थे because मैं डाउन हो गई थोड़ी देर के बाद. You can see my face is also bloated. All these प्रॉब्लम्स और ये हमेशा तभी होता है जब पीरियड्स आते हैं. एनीवेज ये पीरियड्स वाली सिचुएशंस तो मंथली आती रहती है बट इन लाइफ आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग विद many थिंग्स एंड व्हिच टुक मी टू समवेयर लॉस्ट माई सेल्फ. वन डे आई वोक अप एंड आई डिसाइडेड दैट ये तो नहीं रहने वाली मेरी सिचुएशन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ एंड फ्रॉम देयर I came to this situation where my skin is better, gain muscle, and that has all happened when one day I decided that I have to change everything. Before coming to the situations that what changed, I want to show you that exactly what I'm talking about. Watch that. Did you see that? This was me. This was me few months ago. ऑनेस्टली यहाँ तक मैं कैसे पहुँच गई मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता. इतनी सारी सिचुएशंस एंड ऑल दैट आई डोंट नो ब्लेम टू एनीथिंग बट आई वाज बिकमिंग कंफर्टेबल टिल आई रीच हियर. और मैं जिम से आई हूँ मैंने बहुत अच्छा पोज दिया एंड मैंने कोई वीडियो शूट किया. आई एडिटेड इट नाइसली एंड आई पोस्टेड इट बट व्हेन आई had put the camera in front of me and I shot this, I realized this is my truth. This is actually my truth. I am living in a bubble where I have access to all the filters and editing apps and I can hide everything behind makeup and fashion. But actually, actually in real life I look like this. Don't you think so? That बहुत सारे लोगों में से मैं एक ऐसी इंसान हूँ जो इस सिचुएशन में आ जाते हैं, कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं, उनको रियलाइज ही नहीं होता कि हम यहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं. बट वन डे I woke up and I decided that यहाँ से तो मैं अब वापस जाने वाली हूँ. This is not gonna be my story for the rest of my life. And what exactly happened, I had already shared with you in my previous videos that I had two major waking alarms. One was definitely visiting to the hospital with my father, जहाँ पे मैं dialysis के patients को रोज देख रही थी कि they are surviving and they're fighting for life. And I realized that my internal health is suffering and I don't even know about that. I got my blood test done. I got to know मेरा cholesterol level high है. That doctor has actually prescribed cholesterol को manage करने वाली medicine and I'm just 34 or 35 and I realized bro अभी से medication start हो जाएंगी. फिर भी कुछ महीनों तक चलता रहा. आई वॉज बैक एंड फोर्थ ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स. कभी कुछ बट आई वॉज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट. आई हैड सेकेंड अलार्म. वन डे आई वॉज जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी फॉर द जिम. आई हैड कॉफी at 7 p.m. and my heart started racing like crazy and I felt like I was almost about to get heart attack. Honestly, I felt like maybe this is the end of my life. Young people are dying due to heart attack and cardiac arrest. That मुझे बहुत डर लगा कि क्या मैं उनमें से एक हूँ. And I had been avoiding my health issues for the longest period of time. Health issues को forget करो. Look at the skin I had. Look at the face. I know अभी भी I am still struggling with chubby face, but it is not that worse. वो सिचुएशन से निकलने के लिए I had to take some practical decisions in my life. So, what are these decisions? I'm going to share that with you. First practical decision what I took was hydration, but with purpose. I know you all know about hydration, that how it keeps you fit. 3 लीटर पानी रोज पीना है, 8 से 12 ग्लास पानी पीना है, and it will solve all the problem. But do we actually see any change? We don't. We know about it, but we don't see any major change when we keep ourselves hydrated. Because it lacked purpose. So when I actually regulated and monitored the kind of water should I be taking, it made the change. It made the change in my cycles, my skin, my mood, my health, my body, everything. जिसमें से सबसे पहले आता है कि जो अर्ली मॉर्निंग की वाटर इनटेक होते हैं should have a lot of electrolytes. I have shared some examples here suiting to your health conditions which I'm sure आप अगर अपना ब्लड टेस्ट कराएंगे तो आपको पता लग जाएगा if your sugar level is high, if your cholesterol level is high. Just want to detoxify your body. These electrolytes rich drinks you should be taking early in the morning और in मॉर्निंग के कुछ 2-3 घंटे तक आप ले सकते हैं एंड वही टाइम है जब आपको लेना चाहिए ये सारे ड्रिंक्स. नंबर 2 विच आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ ऑल्सो हैविंग हर्बल टीज इन द इवनिंग. आई मीन ऐसा नहीं है कि सबको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो हम सोचते हैं कि ग्रीन टी लेना इज़ नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट और एनी अदर हर्बल टी इज़ नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट. It is actually very very important and it makes a huge impact in your sleep regulation and stress management. Like I'm telling you, I'm on day 1 of my period and when I got to know that I am actually down, that's why I was feeling so many, you know, thoughts, hormones, fluctuations. There were so many things going on in my head. I shot a video that deleted, blah blah blah. Stress is managed, which I'm struggling with right now because stress को manage करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा difficult होता है and it clearly shows on your face because bloated हो जाता है, cortisol level high हो जाते हैं and all that. So in terms of water, if you're taking after 5-6 p.m. herbal tea, green tea is something which you should be taking. Number 3 is if you are a caffeine lover, coffee lover, you have to cut caffeine after 3 p.m. This has a huge impact in my life because early morning or mid morning, if you have coffee, black coffee, I take very strong black coffee, it sets you for the day. अच्छी एनर्जी रहती है एंड यू हैव सो मच टू डू इन द डे. बट शाम को क्या काम है हाई कैफीन का? शाम को हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो हो जाता है एंड इट हैज टू डू लेस ऑफ डाइजेशन वर्क सो दैट यू हैव इनफ एनर्जी to sleep and relax. So शाम को तो definitely post 3 you should not be consuming caffeine. These are the hydration related changes I have done in my life and it has brought me to this from that Priya which you just saw in the beginning of this video. Second practical decision I took that I ate protein first and later the rest of the things in my plate. Like before I used to eat chapatis and rice because बहुत भूख लगती है तो फटाफट से carbs खाना चाहते हैं and then some dal or protein or chicken and at the end अगर मन किया तो salad, which was completely wrong because it could not fulfill my hunger और मुझे थोड़ी देर में भूख लग जाती थी. At the same time I was not consuming enough protein. So now I don't eat according to my taste bud, but according to my muscle requirement. So protein को पहले consume करना is very very important. I have chicken, I have chickpea and black pea. I have all those things and I eat that first. तो protein का जो भी मेरा quantity रहता है in plate. After that I have little bit of chapati or rice and then salad, curd, whatever else is there, and that's all. It keeps my tummy full because I eat in regulation and I eat according to my protein need and not my craving. Third and very very important for skin lovers, for beauty lover, is to not extra exfoliate your skin and maintain skin barrier with lots of ceramides. Yes, before that, I mean earlier what I used to do all ka nuksa or any influencer following this and that, any new product launching in the market, I used to apply that thinking कि मेरी तो 20s वाली skin है, but नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. ओवर एक्सफोलिएशन हो जाना, कोई भी क्रीम लगाना फेस पे एंड देन यू नो वो मॉइस्चराइजर अच्छे से नहीं काम करता है एंड स्किपिंग सनस्क्रीन, दीज ऑल वर वेरी वेरी बैड फॉर माई स्किन एंड ऑनेस्टली बहुत ही एज स्किन दिखती है लाइक दिस वन which was my skin previously. Thank God I have come from that situation. So now what I do, I use this micro exfoliant as a cleanser. This is little expensive but it works wonders on my skin. Use it twice a day, both in morning routine and evening routine, and I'm set. Then I use lots of ceramide. Currently I'm using this cream which is very good because I have very dry skin, so it works very good on my skin. And of course for sunscreen I use Helio Care, which is amazing, and it is tinted also. It has good SPF. It fights against UVA rays also, which is age killer. So yeah, this is my skincare routine and I love it. But I want to give you a real talk here. Like, I noticed this at the age of 33 and I was just going back and forth with my routine. कभी होता था, कभी नहीं होता था. Even आज भी ऐसा होता है, कभी morning skincare छूट रहा है, कभी शाम का छूट रहा है, कभी कोई water intake नहीं ले पाई हूँ. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. Sometimes you're traveling, this and that. तो ये होगा. आप शायद इतने consistent नहीं रह पाओ, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा भी अगर हम करते रहेंगे और कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी भी अगर होती रहेगी, सो वी कैन मेक इट अ रूटीन विच आई एम एबल टू डू. 10 थिंग्स एकदम से नहीं फॉलो होती है, 3-4 से करेंगे तो भी फॉलो होगी. और ये जो अनसस्टेनेबल हैबिट्स है ना, वी कैन बीट दैट. So that's it. Hope you like the video and you have to comment that which habit are you taking from this video. And that's it. इतना सिंपल है, सिर्फ ये 3 प्रैक्टिकल चेंजेस अपनी लाइफ में लाने हैं and it is gonna set you in a nice lifestyle जिसमें आप थोड़ा cheating भी कर सकते हैं in terms of food, not otherwise, and you can enjoy your life otherwise also, and you'll be happy because your mood is good, you don't have much stress to take care of, you feel good while you are PMSing or you're down. Yes, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.